This is my code for my final project. As you can see at the top here, we have all our variables. We have question number for the questions, we have variable for the scenes, we have variable for confetti, we have variable for the animation, and so that's the X, that's the Y, and that's the speed. Here is all the stuff for the confetti, where we can draw the confetti, the config for the confetti, no, the config for the buttons, and the prototype to make the confetti fall. Here is the button, all the stuff for the buttons. We have the config for the button. We have the draw button, which allows us to take control of the image of how the button looks like. Here, make sure you're clicking on the button, not outside of it. Make sure it's clickable. That's the handle mouse click. And then down here we have our first button, which is the start button right here. Then here we have our Bitmojis. Here is my partner's Bitmoji, and down here is mine. The next thing we have are our scenes. We have a total of 9, including the splash screen. Without including the splash screen, it's 8. We have 3 for the questions, and we have about 4 for the ending scenes, those are the ones where you get your answer. Then we have our mouse click function, which allows us to click on our answers. So if mouse clicked on this, then go to this screen, which that's what this allows us to do. That's how it looks like. And then down here, we have our draw function. For first, we have the confetti. This makes the confetti fall. It calls the confetti, makes it fall. Everything you need to make the confetti work. Then down here, we have called the splash screen, so that way it appears. And then these are all if on this, call current screen 2. So the current screen goes this, it calls this number. And then we have down here where not only do we call what number the screen is, we also added confetti because these are the ending scenes. And that's it. And this is how the inside of our scenes looks like, where we have what it equals to, the background, what's on the text, what the images are, and down here you'll see x equals x plus 1, which allows the animation to happen when